Welcome guys, today I will show you how to record the screen on POCO F8 Pro. So, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Tools menu, then tap on the Edit icon. Here, find the tool Screen Recorder one. Tap on it to simply add it into your Tools menu. Then tap on the OK, and now you can find it here. So then choose some content which you want to record, for example, apps list. Expand the upper menu once more and tap on this icon. Skip some notifications, some pop-ups, and you will see this small widget which appears on your screen. You can close it, you can open the settings of the recording, and choose them like you want. Also, you can open the folder where all records are saved. And also, by using this start button, you can start recording. So, as you can see now, the whole screen is recording. To stop it and save your record, hit 2 times on this key. And now you will find the video in your file manager. So now you know how to record the screen on POCO F8 Pro. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below, and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.